Today I want to talk about how to manifest the perfect body. How to manifest the perfect body. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Make Life Happen, and I hope you guys are having a super blessed day because life is so good. If this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to personal development, the art of imagination, and spirituality based off the teachings from Neville Goddard. Today I want to talk about how to manifest the perfect body. How to manifest the perfect body. So we're going to be talking about how to manifest our ideal body, our dream body, or what we actually consider to be the dream body. Imagination creates all reality. So everything that we manifest starts from our desire. I remember many years ago when I first started working out, I was clueless about lifting weights. I didn't know anything. So my regimen, my routine was doing pull-ups, doing push-ups, and maybe a little bit of cardio. That was it. I didn't know anything about proper technique, using the right form, which machine would target which muscle group or which free weights to use. Should I use both? Should I include cardio? I was clueless when it came to all that. But I seen Arnold. You guys know Arnold Schwarzenegger. So Arnold was 7-time Mr. Olympia. So he was really good. He was an actor, famous actor, and he was also the governor of California. So you guys have heard of Arnold. So I've seen Arnold in magazines, YouTube videos, and I was like, I want to be just like him. I didn't necessarily want to have his exact body type, but I knew that I wanted to be muscular. So as time goes on, I'm looking at magazines, I'm meeting new people, and I'm crossing the bridge of incidents. I ended up gaining 30 pounds of muscle. So I actually manifested the perfect body, my dream body. I actually manifested. And you can do it too if you use your human imagination and you know exactly what you want your body to look like. When it comes to manifesting the perfect body, you have to believe that it's possible. You need to have faith in yourself. So whenever you imagine yourself having your dream body, the perfect body, you need to breathe it, feel it, and walk as if you're already the person with that dream body. Neville Goddard teaches us that we must impress our minds with what we want and then persist in that assumption. So for me, I watched bodybuilding videos every single day. Occupying my mind consistently allowed me to become receptive and open to receive more information that led me to become a better bodybuilder. It allowed me to gain more knowledge and wisdom on how to actually become better. So back then, I didn't know anything about manifesting, but looking back now, I can connect the dots to see that got me to that point. So I remember looking in the mirror and flexing for hours and imagining myself what it would be like. So I was doing the whole process of manifesting and visualizing and imagining, but I didn't really know what I was doing. Arnold did talk about mind to muscle connection, but not necessarily into manifesting. So if you want to manifest the perfect body, your dream body, then you need to start imagining that you have it right now. So how can you manifest the perfect body? How can you manifest your dream body? Well, just like I did, you're going to saturate your mind with the body that you consider to be perfect. So if you want to manifest your dream body, you want to deliberately imagine this image and then feel the feeling of having it. So ask yourself, how would I feel if I had my dream body right now? How would I feel if I had the perfect body right now? And you want to take this image and take a few minutes each day, same time every day. You're going to go into the same room. If you can't find a quiet room, go outside and sit in your car. Remember, you have to be very specific on what you want. And you're going to do this every single day until your mood changes. So your mood's going to change. And when you open your eyes, you're going to be shocked. So you're literally going to be shocked that you didn't wake up or you didn't open your eyes at the place where you imagined yourself before. This is how you know you've done it correctly, and there's nothing you need to do after this. So let's just say you're having trouble and you can't keep your focus. Your mind's like a jungle and you have all these thoughts running through your mind. Well, if this is you, stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be sharing 2 techniques that Neville Goddard used himself to help him control his imagination. So if you can't imagine, and if you're having a hard time meditating and keeping focus, make sure you watch that video. If you're just now learning about meditating, conscious creation, or deliberate imagination, just remember this one thing: have fun with it and enjoy the process. You're going to be learning about other things like the law and the promise along the way. But for now, Neville Goddard teaches us that whenever we want to manifest something like a perfect body or a dream body, that we must subjectively appropriate the objective hope. So what is it that you want? The perfect body. So you want to focus on this image until you feel the feeling of having it. So ask yourself, how would I feel? How would I feel if I had the perfect body? Ask yourself, how would I feel if I had my dream body right now? How would your friends see you? How would your family see you? How would your coworkers see you? How would the rest of the world see you? So you can imagine yourself in first person present tense, and you can hear your friend's voice. Hear your friend's voice or a family member, somebody that you trust and love, and imagine them telling you, wow, your body looks amazing. You look phenomenal. Your transformation looks fantastic. What did you do? And you want to imagine this scene over and over and over. You want to go into your special room in your house, apartment, whatever, and you want to go in there at the same time each day. And if you don't have a place that's quiet or with no disruptions, just go outside and sit in your car, roll the windows up. So what happens is you're going to be led across a bridge of incidents or a series of events. So just like I was led to Arnold videos on YouTube, or I was led to read some bodybuilding magazine, or whenever I actually went to the gym and took inspired action, I met trainers there. I met coaches. I met people that trained me for free to help me achieve those results. So just like I was led to take that action, you're also going to be led. You're going to find somebody, something that has all the information you need. Or you're just going to be internally driven. You're going to be internally motivated, and you're going to know what to do. So you're going to achieve the perfect body, but you're going to discover that your imagination does create reality. So what we want to do now is we want to track this evidence. So this evidence helps us with our confidence. So it helps us to understand and know that our thoughts does create reality. So what you want to do now is you want to take a before picture. Take a before picture right now, and as time goes on, 6 to 8 weeks, 12 weeks, whatever you want, take another picture. And then another 6 to 8 weeks goes by, take another picture. And once you see that you have the perfect body, I want you to go back and look at that very first before picture, and I want you to reflect on it. And you can actually witness that your imagination did create reality. So make sure you take those pictures. So for now, go out there and have fun and imagine the perfect body. Life is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to upload videos every single Thursday. Stay tuned for my next video, how to meditate when you can't visualize. How to meditate when you can't visualize. If you did like this video and it resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.